So I think yung haters, yun nga, tama ka. Either you're living the life that they want to live,
Correct.
but they were too lazy to put in the work.
Correct.
And then another thing is, you're successful, tapos they hate you.
Mhm.
They say na imposible yan. Because they're trying to invalidate
Your success.
yung success eh.
Right.
Kasi nga hindi nila magawa.
Correct.
So sabihin nila imposible,
Right.
hindi mo kaya yan. Kasi hindi nila magawa.
Correct.
Now you're helping them, you're showing them how you did it.
Right.
But still they will hate you.
Right.
Kasi, they just don't want to put in the work.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to talk eh. Mahirap mag-walk your talk eh.
Mm.
Right? So, mas madaling mang-bash, mga hatak pababa. Mas madali yun. It's the easy way out para malabas mo yung feeling mo.
Tapos sa isip ko, yung mga haters, bashers, if you convert that energy, the time you spent commenting on my content, hate me,
Right.
if you use that energy to build a business,
Oh, yeah.
to think about, find a mentor, do something
Right.
positive, yung successful mo na. Every day
yeah.
nagko-comment ka, you spend, what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes
Right.
doing a negative comment.
Dinadagdagan lang nila yung success mo eh. Kasi lalo ka na napupush sa algorithm. Hindi naman na-detect ng social media kung negative yung sinasabi mo o positive dun eh, di ba? So, dagdag lang sila sa engagement mo, sa comments mo, dagdag sila sa success mo basically.